For tough scrubbing and cleaning jobs, you need a product that's up to the task. Some options are safer and perform better than others. We've learned from research that 100% of shop towels contain lead and other heavy metals. Just because they've been laundered doesn't mean they're clean. First, we filled 3 large glass jars with equal amounts of water. Next, we'll place 4 brand new shop towels in the first jar. 4 shop towels that have been repeatedly laundered in the second jar. And lastly, 4 Wipe-All X80 wipers in the third jar. We're going to allow the jars to sit for 6 days. After 6 days of soak time, let's see how clean or contaminated the water is in the jars. The first jar, which contained our brand new shop towels, no longer has clear water. In fact, it's now red due to the dye in the towels. The second jar contains a significant amount of contaminants in the water, including lint, likely toxins, and heavy metals. Remember, these are freshly cleaned shop towels. Lastly, the water the Wipe-All X80 wipers has been soaking in is still clear and visibly free of contaminants. Besides the safety risk to your workers, think how it can affect your processes. Substances on a shop towel that aren't removed during the laundering process may be dissolved into your solvent and transferred to the surface. Whether the surface is one that's being cleaned or is receiving a solvent application, foreign substances can create quality defects, potentially costing you time and money. Here's the good news. 98% of defects are avoidable. Wipe-All X80 provides a clean and consistent wiper and leaves 3 times less lint than shop towels, which may help reduce contamination in your process. Pound for pound, X80 absorbs water 30% more and significantly faster than shop towels. Choose Wipe-All wipers, a safe and clean alternative to shop towels.